Hi everyone, welcome back to channel Tech and Art. Today we will talk about little bit of SQL Server error logs. Couple of points we just want to discuss. Okay, and before that, whoever newly joined on channel, please like to subscribe and don't forget to share with others. If you want to share the contribute, you can do the YouTube thanks. Okay, so let me connect. Couple of things just need to focus in your mind. For the SQL Server error logs. First of all, what is the error logs? Actually, basically, it's nothing. Just it's keeping your activity for the particular SQL Server instance. So error log is a file that tracks what kind of activity is happening on a SQL Server instance. Okay. The second is the by default location. Where is the if you are some cases you cannot restart the SQL Server services and you are not able to connect to Management Studio. In that cases you need to read the error logs. So how you will read? So you need to go to the default location where your root directory installed. Okay, so this is the default one, but in your case maybe something different. So where n is an archived version number and instance name is the number of the instance. Okay, name of the instance. So where your root directory is there, go to that location and you will get the error logs. Okay, text file, you can read it. Okay, what is the issue with the multiple restart? So these things need to talk about actually. So let's assume you are doing a troubleshoot and you are seeing a couple of times SQL Server going to restart. Okay, so as we know, whenever the SQL Server instance is getting restarts, error log is getting generated newly. Okay, and the old one is converted to the archive. Okay, so if you do the restart multiple times in a hour or something like that, so in that case your old error log you will lost. Okay, so before doing this activity, it's like best practice is go to the particular location and keep a copy of error log files in your backup location. So before doing the restart, so many restart, you just need a keep a copy of your error log in your backup location to do the later analysis for tracking reading the logs. If someone asks logs, right, if you do the restart multiple times you will lose, right? So later if someone asks, you cannot provide, right? So just best practice is keep a log to your backup location. The next is the cycling of the error logs. Okay, this is also quite interesting. So we all aware whenever we start the SQL Server, error log is getting generated new one and it will looks like current something. It will written like that, the current. So which means current is this. So 14th my instance was restarted. This is also a interview question. How do you know when SQL is getting restarted last time? So whenever your error log date, that is your last restart date. Okay, date and time. So basically SQL Server whenever it started getting created a new error log and old one is converted to archive. That's the reason we have seen number of archive file is like that, archive 1 2 3 4 5 6. Based on the size they will segregate. Okay, so now the point is in some cases instance is not restarted from a month or something like that. So in that cases error log size will be huge. If you are seeing such kind of issues, like sometimes if you are trying to open the error logs to reading the error, but you are not able to read because it's not open properly, it's some kind of stuck is happening because of the so big file. Okay, so in that case you need to do the recycle manually. So there is a command, sp command. You can do the recycle instantly, quickly by executing this command, sp_cycle error log. Your error log will be created newly and old one is getting archived. Okay, so through this way you can do the recycle your error logs. You can, if you want to reschedule the jobs also, you can do the schedule the jobs with the help of this command. Okay, so these many points, the bullet points which you need to focus on your error log perspective. Okay, later will come in some other scenarios also in the later video, but that's it for today. Hope you like it. If you getting like, please do subscribe and thanks.